how to schedule post on Facebook. So if you want to schedule post on Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you've opened, you can go for the upper right, which has that albums icon. Tap on the albums and then you can select the photo that you would like to post. So once you've selected, now here you can tap on the bottom right, which has that three dots icon, and from here you may have an option of schedule post. But if you don't have that option, then it means that that option is not available in your region or in your country. Or if you don't have updated your Facebook, then you won't have that option. So make sure to update your Facebook application, and once you've updated, or if that option is available in your country, then you will have that option here of schedule post. You can simply tap on schedule post and then you can choose your time, and once you've chosen, you can tap on post, which will be on the upper right, and you can schedule post on Facebook. So that's how you do it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.